Perfect.
What's going on, guys? All right, so just got home from work. Sunlight's coming down. We're about to dip off. Got the ski loaded up, everything loaded up. Pretty solid. So this is my 1990 Kawasaki X2. It's pretty sweet. Gonna get some videos ripping it and whatnot. About to be taking 2 cars. My dad's got his boat. We're gonna bring it out there. Also, my buddy's bringing my buddy's parents bringing his boat as well. It's about to be a pretty sweet weekend, guys. So we'll catch you out there. Go ahead and grab the gate opener real quick. Little update on the Subaru. It's running good still. Prime. We got plans for this thing. It's gonna be in a later video. But right now it's time to have fun. My birthday was yesterday. I'm trying to have a good time. Hope you guys enjoy it. Home sweet home. All right, guys, just made it. Gotta get everything unpacked real quick, drink a couple beers, chill out. It's nothing special, but it's beautiful. Getting the breakfast going. Oh, bro, you're burn 'em. Oh no. Alright guys, we just made it down to Goose Flats. Rode the ski over here. Got someone on top of that mountain way over there. About to cast out, see if we can catch some couple of bass.
Yeah, we're about to rip some libs. For sure, for sure. That car would be a good spot. Down there.
Yeah. This is the one. That was not the one. Look at you.
Not the one. Bird's nest.
Right here by the rocks. Throw in right over here in this corner. Cast that bad boy. It's good. Got everyone hanging out.
Fucking half hook lure. Oh fuck. I'm gonna take that. It's a frog.
That looks good. It's a good one.
See that?
It's a keeper, dude.
What's this? That's like perfect bass spot.
Yeah, look, he's always complaining, I don't want anybody else to cast my shit because, you know, they're gonna knot it up. What'd you do this time, dude? Got a decent spot. Catching fish ain't too easy, dude. Oh, there you go. Be one with the fish. Feel it? Do you taste it? Is it around? It's
Taste a lot of.
Chicken beers with the boys.
You want some food? You can beer with the boys right here. Drinking some fucking Miller Lite. Fuck yeah. I'm fucking 10 to the top. They let my beer all the time.
Hey, don't record this shit.
All right, guys, we just rolled back. Just got the ski back home. Got the boat out of the water. About to roll back home, chill out, eat some burgers. I can pass out, wake up tomorrow, doing the same thing again.
This one's a little.
Where's your French fries?
Sticky. A little sticky.
Yeah, that's why I stay back here.
This one they're going to rip it like off sideways.
Yeah. I mean,
No, it's alright. Have on them. First thing we're gonna do. The triple. Yeah, in my pocket. Single, double, triple. Okay.
bro, if we're gonna do it that, might as well do that one too.
Fuck it.
Crackling? No, not crackling.
What's up? Oh yeah.
How do you like it?
Okay.
Got the double.
That's what I'm saying. Those guys.
Ready?
Yeah. Hold on. Everyone ready?
3, 2,
Light 'em.
1.
You can barely see. You got double fist in mortars. I got a lighter. He lost shot in his hands, bro. Where'd it go? It's over here. Launched out of his hands. Alright guys, this is the last day. Just got everything thrown out of the water last night. Ski ran great. My little brother's ski ran great too. What the heck? Got some boom booms. Haven't even lit these off yet. I parked the truck a little close. See if I got some gas for today. Maybe let my buddies rip this thing around. Let's see. Yeah. I got enough gas, gallon and a half, 2 or so. See, it was great. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked with the X2, honestly, because I'm thinking about rebuilding the pump, getting everything a little bit cleaner, because the pump's kind of chewed up the impeller right now. It still rips.
Hey, Greg.
That it?
Is that it? Out here at the RLR, you know?
Oh, dude. That's sick. Yeah, dude. That Raft is so easy to stay on, though. I swear, it's like it rides like a Cadillac, dude.
okay? You guys are cool? Fuck, man. Be careful, we were flagging.
We had our flags
We
up.
had the flag up. We were trying to warn you on the way in. We're just out here chilling, the lagoon.
All right, guys, just got home right now. It was a great weekend. I don't think it could have been any better. I only filmed what I could with the jet ski. I got super lucky because the GoPro mount literally snapped off right when I got to the spot to park it, and we met up with everybody to go fishing. But it was great. It was cool. Truck ran great. Got slapped some new batteries in the golf cart. But yeah, there's gonna be more videos coming out with like going to the river and stuff like that. So I hope you guys do enjoy that content. But thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace.